It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Acadia SLE Elevation Edition. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Acadia. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with auto express window, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button. We've also got the power liftgate button where we're able to set that opening to maximum 3/4 or turn it right off. To the left of the steering wheel, we have the park brake and a lighting control. All-weather floor mats on the floor. A power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, cloth interior, and a power sunroof up above. Next, I'm going to climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and the right side has our audio controls. Up next is our driver information center, where we're able to scroll through that dash by using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above, the programmable garage door opener, power sunroof buttons, and OnStar. We've also got a place to store your sunglasses. This is GMC's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also got our climate control buttons, and it doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, the park reverse drive buttons, some USB ports and power plug-ins. To the right of the steering wheel, we have the engine push start button, auto stop start, traction control, hazard lights, park assist, heated front seats, lane departure alert, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, sport mode, and off-road mode. At the front of the Acadia, we have the darkened grille, LED headlamps, 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, a 3.6-liter V6 engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the integrated turn signal. Black roof rails, black mirror caps, blacked out badging down the side, rear tinted windows. The door handles have keyless access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. The rear window wiper, remote start, and a power lift gate. I'm going to use the key fob here, push that button twice to pop our lift gate open. In the back here, we've got cargo hooks, cargo mats, a power plug-in, the tethers to fold the third row seats down, and a smaller storage compartment down below. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 6-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows, a cup holder, and door storage. The backs of both front seats have got seat pockets. The back of the center console has the rear climate control buttons, a 120-volt power plug-in, USB ports, and down below here we also have cup holders and a storage compartment. To gain access to the third row, use the center aisle or pull the lever on the top of the seat. In the back, we've got 2 additional seats with cup holders on either side and a rear sunroof. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Acadia SLE Elevation Edition, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.